Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. I want to tell you about a great site. It's called PrizeRebel. First of all, before I start telling you about PrizeRebel, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. First of all, you sign up in 10 seconds. The link be right below. Make money now. After that, complete paid online surveys and earn points and redeem for cash and gift cards. Which you see it here. Look at that. Amazon, PayPal, Kroger. Look at some of these great names. And just build up those points. Like I said, back to school, uh, the holidays coming up. What a great way to do this. And like I said, this is Prize Rebel. It's free to join, and the membership is worldwide. They have over 10 million members, people, and mostly the UK, USA, Canada, and Australia has the most opportunities to earn rewards. Like I said again, the UK, USA, Canada, and Australia has the most opportunities to earn rewards. They've been around since 2007. I've been with them a couple of years, and it's a great site. You could just do many tasks. You could um, watch things like programs, or you could play games. It, like I said, they have surveys, but like it's many tasks, and you never really get bored with them. Um, right here, I'm setting a reward goal to try to get a $10 Amazon card. Just do the task, simple. Next thing you know, I got the gift card, and I go to the next thing. If I like, and if I want to try something different, I can. Maybe next time I'm gonna try for the Kroger gift card. That'd be a great one, or the PayPal, and that way I get that cash. All I have to do with PayPal, it's free to join, and then you get that PayPal money. Guess what? Money in your pocket, and then Amazon gift card. It starts out with $5, but you could build it up to whatever amount. Just keep on doing the tasks. Like I said, doing the tasks that they ask, the online games, or whatever task it might be, or watching videos. Like I said, they've been around since 2007. And like again, it's free to join. And you could do whatever research you want to do. They are a great company. Um, like I said, my link will be below. Get started. 10 seconds to join. Will not take too much of your spare time. Just take a little bit of your time and just build it up. Prize Rebel is free and already paid over $22 million in earnings for Prize Rebel members. Wow, right? And look at all these great names they have. Look at that. Look at that. Disney gift cards, eBay, all those great names. Like I said, PayPal, Kroger's. We have Kroger's in the US. Amazon. Everybody know Amazon. Look at all these great names. If you like to take your family out to eat, what a great way to do that. Just do these tasks and just earn. Look at that. You like games? What a great way you could do that. Like I said, the link is below. And also, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Get started.